Namaskaram. In this video, we'll discuss the first verse of first chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, that is Dharmakshetre, Kurukshetre, samavethaa, yuyuthsavaha-Maamakaaha, paandavaashchayva-the, Kimakurvata, sanjaya-O. Here Dhritrashtra is asking Sanjaya, who is a advisor and charioteer of dhritrashtra, samavethaa yuyuthsavaha. It means the assembled people who are decided to fight. That the people, the Pandavas and Kauravas have assembled in Kurukshetra, the battlefield. And what did they do? He is just asking about Pandavas and Kauravas and what did they do at the battlefield Kurukshetra. Here Dharmakshetra is the place of righteousness and Kurukshetra is a place where the war is going to happen. One day Vedavyasa comes to Hastinapura. At that time he says to Dhritrashtra that he will give a divine sight so that by sitting at Hastinapura he can see the war which is happening in Kurukshetra. But since Kauravas are on behalf of Adharma, so he felt that Kauravas may lose the war, so he don't want to watch that thing. So Vedavyasa gives that divine sight to Sanjaya, so that Sanjaya can see the war which is happening in Kurukshetra, and just by sitting in Hastinapura he can see the war and he can tell what is happening in Kurukshetra to Dhritrashtra. Thank you for watching this video.